love you. I do. It's just for you. Love you. I love you.
Homemade, made from scratch. Ooh. Isn't it beautiful? You the first time you saw it, huh?
Yeah.
Santa came to the party.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Oh, thank you. 16 years. Yeah. Homemade, baby. See how it tastes. Oh, from scratch. I mean, everything from scratch. It was strawberries. I didn't grow those. My husband wanted me to make a chocolate strawberry cake, chocolate on chocolate, for our anniversary, 16 years. So I made him a homemade cake. That's my baby daddy. Hi. I made the frosting homemade from scratch. The cupcake homemade from scratch. I didn't make the sprinkles from scratch. Or the chocolate chip. But, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Hey. So Harold loves Indian food and he loves Jamaican food. So I thought it would be nice to do a combination of jerk chicken, fire grilled on the grill, with Indian curry rice. He loved it. And I love him.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Oh, thank you. 16 years. We had a lot of division champs in our marriage. What'd you say? You say what?
I said, man, they love you.
We just got the grilling, so what's this charcoal all over you?
Oh.
Grilling this wonderful, tasty, yummy. Woo. Woo. Want pour it?
Yeah, okay. I'm finna pop it.
Oh. Ooh. What kind of drink is that, babe? Turn to the camera. Good. Made in Italy. Alright, go on and pour. Oh, you grab mine first. Thank you, Chef. As you can see, we're putting together this physical therapy machine for me. Ooh, sparkly bubbles. Yummy. Alright, I want my food to get cold. We'll come back with the cake. Just bring the whole little pan of cupcakes. And you bring... Here she go. Can't wait. Go ahead and grab one, baby. Jonathan! Come get your cupcake, baby. You wanna grab one? Let me know how it tastes, like bite into it. I haven't tasted them yet. Santa came to the party. These are my happy anniversary, happy 16th. These are my happy 16th anniversary cupcakes.
Good, huh? Like it, Jesse?
Hold on here. Let me see how it tastes. Let me pick one.
Moist?
Is it? Okay. Ooh, I like this one. It's pretty. All of them are pretty, but you know.
Yeah.
Let me see if you tell them the truth. Comes out good. Look. Filled out well. I'm doing this because I'm on the camera. Okay. Okay, I'll get this. We'll get a cupcake, baby. Okay. I like to sprinkle chocolate on top. I like a little chocolate chip on top too. Kind of set it off. Okay, I did that. Alright, so y'all saw the cupcakes. Now this is a homemade cake. I know there's a lot of chocolate around here, but there's chocolate. And I'm about to take this cake out here and put it on another plate. So let's cut it and see what's on the inside. I requested my husband. I made him a homemade strawberry cake. Ooh. Yeah. That's how we do it right there. Slice it right there. Ooh, look at all the chocolate. You can see it right there. You see it right there? That's a little big piece. Just lift it up like this. Ooh, yeah, baby. Look at that. The strawberry all up in there. Look how moist it looks. Let me see something. This right here. Let's see what's underneath here. Oh, okay, so when I turned over the cake, I didn't like cut the top off, so it's kind of rounded. So that's what that is. Hey, Harold, come taste the first bite of the cake, baby. Baby. My baby takes care of me. See, look how moist it looks. Ooh. Hear that coffee going in the background. Here, come eat it. I already got me a little coffee to start off, but I'm on camera right now, so I wanted to have you drink this real quick. You gonna come because I'm on camera. Hey, boo boo. Look how moist this is. Janae gonna take the first bite.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, that's good.
Janae, you want a bite? You want to take the next bite? This is a taster. Right here, taste the cake. I'm not going to give you a big bite. Right here. I want to taste the bite too. Oh, a cupcake. A chocolate cupcake. That's my brother. Here, let me take this big piece. Let me see how big that piece is. Turn to the side. It's like saying, feed me, see more. Alright, so let's go to the next slice. I'm gonna get a little dinner. Because y'all had a cupcake, so. You want a slice of cake, Jesse? Oh, that right there. That's what I'm talking about. I made this home. Made!